Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about Monad Testnet Airdrop and every single thing related to it. This video is specifically done using a mobile phone, just like some of you have here. You people use mobile phones, and I'm not going to be using a PC, but I'll also cover a PC version for it. Monad Testnet is broad as well as very large in terms of the activities that you need to be doing consistently on them, in terms of the NFTs, the dApps that you need to interact with in order to gain particularly the entire airdrop. But here is the introduction, and I'm going to make other separate videos, especially how you can be able to get faucets. I will not cover all of them in this video, but I'm going to make a separate video how you can be able to claim faucets, as well as several faucet sites, up to like 5 to 7 faucet sites, as well as steps to be able to get free faucets for you to be able to interact with your Monad Testnet, because it's going to take some faucets for you to be able to do it. So without further ado, firstly, this is Monad Testnet, and they have raised over 220 something million US dollars on their backers, and it's just a layer 1 blockchain bringing parallel execution to the EVM. Okay, so basically it's a huge testnet and everybody is jumping into it, which I also recommend that you also do not skip it and watch this video till the end, as well as the subsequent ones, if you want to really participate in this Monad testnet. Also, if you're using your mobile device, fine and good, since this is particularly for video, but the same method also works if you are using a PC. So without further ado, let's go to the Phantom wallet, which is what we are going to be using to make the airdrop. So Monad Testnet Airdrop is done using a Phantom wallet. It's done using a Phantom wallet, and you should be able to firstly go through here, which is at the dApp section, where you can be able to put the links, then input this particular URL, that is http://testnet.monad.xyz. I'll also put it in the description, as well as what you're already seeing on the screen. So that is the first thing that you need to be able to do, and click on search. Every single thing that I'm doing is on my Phantom wallet. That is what I'm using to be able to do my Monad Testnet. Not on the Chrome, not on anywhere else. It's just on my Phantom wallet. You can also use several wallets. A typical example, your MetaMask, but I'm using Phantom specifically for this, and that is one of the most recommended. So as you can see, it's recommended here, and this is what it is already showing to me. So this is my Phantom wallet. Then firstly, I'll click on check. You don't need to add the manual network because Phantom already covers every single thing for you. Then I'll just press OK and accept all the cookies. That is the first step in terms of joining the Monad Testnet. Then the second thing that you need to be able to do is to press to connect your wallet. So you just click on connect wallet on top here, and you're already seeing it. Phantom wallet is already here, so I'll just click on my Phantom wallet and allow it to verify. So I've just connected it and it's already going for me, so I'll just wait for it to be able to load and complete. So right away, as you're already seeing it, I've already added my Phantom wallet at the top, which is already here. And the next thing is for me to be able to go down and scroll down. You can be able to read or learn about how to be able to play it, but I'm also going to cover them completely step by step on this tutorial video. Then getting started ecosystem, or the part for the getting started. The most important thing here is to be able to get these things done, okay, which are get the testnet tokens, that is the faucets, build your fantasy top deck, make a trade, and explore the ecosystem. Every single thing will be covered in subsequent videos, but I'll just cover every single thing in an overview format here because it will make this video extremely long, which will not be okay, but I want you just to watch it completely. So we just have to go down. Then this is it, the testnet mon and every other thing, which are fantasy top and play network, every single thing related to it. That's buying of your Monad or Monad cards and etc. But we'll just take it step by step first. So the first thing that we are going to do here is to be able to get our testnet token. As you're already seeing it, there is testnet token are on development purposes only and do not have real value. and previous Discord criteria is also disabled, then we need to be able to get our testnet. So if you press on it here, it will tell you to enter an Ethereum address. Since we are using a phantom wallet to be able to do this, okay, so basically to be able to add an EVM wallet that is already stated here, that's for an EVM wallet, what you need to do is, because this thing is already on testnet, okay, it's not a normal Ethereum wallet, because that's what EVM is for Ethereum blockchain. It's not a normal Ethereum wallet because it's a testnet airdrop. All you need to do is to go back and toggle off, use the Monad address or the Monad token. It will serve as an EVM wallet for you, okay? That is what we are going to do now. It's not a random normal Ethereum that we are connecting. It's the EVM version from the Monad. That is what you are sending. If you send it there, it's equivalent to the EVM, and it is what you are going to be using to so when they say EVM wallet, do not use the normal Ethereum, okay? So let's go back now. Let's go back and we'll just go back here, which is this. So here, I will not use this one, okay? This Ethereum or this anything related to the normal Ethereum, you should not use it. That is not what you should be doing, okay? If you put it, it will not go. It's not the right one. The most important one is this Monad Testnet, which is here, the one on the testnets. Okay, this one, that is what you should be able to do. If your own is not showing, you can be able to search for it here. Okay, you can be able to search for it. Let me go back. You can search for it here, like manage token list, and just press Monad and it will show. Then you toggle it on and off. Okay, that's what you should do. So your Monad testnet, which you're already seeing, this is the wallet. The one here is the EVM that I am going to use for my airdrop. But even if it doesn't go in terms of connecting the faucets, I'm going to make a separate video on how you can be able to claim as many faucets as you can on different methods and different websites. There are different strategies. So even if this one doesn't work, because there are a lot of people are claiming the faucet, so it's now going to be difficult. So the first thing that we do here is to go to the Monad, then receive, press the receive button. As you can see it right here, I can just copy it. This is my link. I'll copy it. That's my EVM wallet. Then I'll go back to the testnet site again. So I'm now back to the testnet site. As you can see, if your own didn't fail to connect, you can just reconnect again and just follow along. Then I'll come here to the EVM site. I'll just click on it here and paste my wallet. So I've clicked on it and paste my wallet, and I'll press get testnet. So it's sending tokens, and I'll just wait for it to be able to load for me. So it's writing recaptcha score too low, recaptcha score too low. And that means probably there are a lot of people who are actually trying to be able to get the Monad faucets directly here, because it's a huge airdrop. So I'll just try it again the second time. If it doesn't work, I'll just skip on it and we'll start doing the other task related to it, as well as how you can be able to navigate, because we need the testnet monad for us to be able to start working on the particular task needed for this particular airdrop. So it's still writing sending tokens. Please bear with me. I'll just... So since the Monad testnet isn't working for us, then we are going to use a first alternative, which is to be able to claim faucets differently. Okay, so that's what we are going to do now. Then that you do every form of verification and then receive your account. So as you can see, this is my Mozi wallet and it has already started happening. Then now I'm going to claim a free faucet of 0.02 Monad. Okay, so I'm going to press the get faucets and click on it, and so that I can be able to claim. Request for faucet will arrive shortly, so I'll just have to wait for it a bit, and in order to be able to get my free Monad. So as you're already seeing it here, this is now my Monad. I've now gotten my Monad Testnet, which you're already seeing it right here below. As you're already seeing it right here below. Okay, so the next thing is to be able to send this Monad Testnet out to my Phantom wallet address. That's one on my Phantom wallet address. That's what I need to be able to interact with while doing the activities, because I've gotten the faucet now. So I'm just going to press this send, and it will tell me to put my recipient address. That's recipient address. So I'm going to press here. Say I'm going to press the available amount that I want. Let's say 0.02. Okay, 0.02, but I'm going to just press 0.019 in case if there's any form of gas fee allowed, but maybe 0.02 if it is possible. Then I'm going to go back to my Phantom wallet here, go back to my Phantom wallet and copy my Monad address on my Phantom that I've already toggled on my Phantom. So here, this is my Phantom wallet. So I'll just go to the Monad Testnet here again and press receive. Okay, I'll copy the wallet address, then go back to my Telegram account, which is where the account is. So it has already closed, no problem. I'll have to just do it again. So Mozi wallets, I'll have to just do it again. So I've now opened it again. So as you can see right here, I'm going to press send for the Mozi and press impute my wallet address. That's from my Phantom wallet. Then I'll just press an amount, say the same amount, that's 0.02. If it doesn't go, that means it is having probably maybe it is too much. Probably I should just go for something lesser, but look at the fees. Then I'll just press on it send and wait for it to be able to load for me. Okay, so my tokens have now been successfully sent. Okay, so I've now received my Monad faucets. So I have to go back to my Phantom wallet again, and let's say go back to my Phantom wallet and refresh if it hasn't arrived yet. So as you're already seeing it, I've already received 0.01865 Monad Testnets in terms of my faucet. So I've now claimed the faucet. It's now here. Then I'll go back to my Phantom wallet again and join the website. That's where I started with my Monad Testnet, and click on it, which is here. So I'll just click on it here and it will load. So now that we have gotten our faucet on the Monad, the next thing is to be able to start interacting immediately into the blockchain. Okay, so this video is already long, but I'm going to break it down into several other steps and several other videos. Now is this one is live. That's claim fantasy top. That's claim your free cards and build a deck now to compete in weekly tournament. So the tournament is already live and we're still going to join right now. But the first thing that you need to be able to do is to explore and go down. So we need to make our first trade. Okay, we need to make our first trade. In the video, you already seen it here. I got 0.018 Monad. That's what I got. Okay, so I want to buy a card first, which is what I need to be able to do to have a card in terms of my interaction. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to buy the card that I have the money for. So the House of Chog card, in as much as I have 0.0165, I have 0.0165, I have 0.18, that's 0.018. I can buy it, but I'll left with a very small amount. So I'm not going to spend money on this, but I'm going to buy the Moyaki. Okay, that one is cheap for me to be able to buy. So one Moyaki is 0.0012 Mon, and I have 0.018, so it's going to be favorable for me. So I'm going to buy this one. Said one Moyaki, so I'm going to buy, let's say, I'm going to buy 0.24. That's 2 Moyaki. That's 0.0024 2 Moyaki, and I'll just press buy in order to execute. Unable to sign in. Current chain of the wallet does not match the target chain of the transaction. So it's now a huge problem, but you can be able to just try it multiple times in order for you to be able to get it. Okay, so it's not just that difficult. Probably it's having a much more a difficult time because of the interaction in order to for one to be able to get it. Then if you don't have, if you keep trying it, it will work. But the next thing is for you to be able to go down here on the featured app section. Those are like two things that you need to be able to do. So there are a lot of activities in terms of Kizzy, Conveyance, Real Bet Sport, Magic Eden, Potato Plateau, Nadfon, etc. and Kuru. Okay, Kuru is one of the most how can I say, most popular. So I'm not going to cover all of them, but I'm going to make a separate video for them so that this one will not be long. So claim your first faucet. Then the next video, I'm also going to show you other ways in addition to this one that I showed you that you can be able to claim multiple faucets on this testnet monad airdrop. Okay, so it's not just about one. And also, if you have time, you can be able to be trying this one, in as much as it will be difficult, but you can be able to try it once in a while in order to get the entire. So stay tuned for the other videos on several ways how you can be able to claim the Monad Testnet faucets, just like the one that you saw now with Mozi app. I'm going to put other different methods. So if you can be claiming multiple faucets from different channels or different methods, you can be able to start growing and earning a lot of Monad faucets, which will help you when participating in several other activities. So stay tuned for more Monad Testnet content. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, as well as join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.